Hello, my name is Stanford Joshua Bonbuban and I'm from PTLED 1A. And my topic is Malaysia. Malaysia is a Southeast Asian country occupying parts of Malay Peninsula and island of Borneo. It's known for its beaches, rainforests, and mix of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and European cultural influence. These are the 5 questions to be answered for each topic. Number 1 is, what is the message? Number 2, what is the purpose of the message? Number 3, how is the message conveyed by text and image? And number 4, who are the target audience of the message? And lastly, number 5, what other ways of presenting the image are there? The example for linguistic is this sign. This sign says is pass road. What is the message? The message is a warning on drivers about a fast road ahead. What is the purpose of the message? The purpose of this message is to warn drivers of a fast road to avoid accidents. How is the message conveyed by text and image? This sign is conveyed by a sign and text. Who are the target audience of the message? The target audience of the message is the drivers and the pedestrians. My example for sign is this road sign pointing to Rawang Ipoh, Ijo, Kuala Lumpur, and Unicel. So what is the message? The message is about a pointing directions to different cities. What is the purpose of the message? The purpose is, the purpose of this message is to guide people like tourists to the right direction so they cannot be lost. How is the message conveyed by text and message? This conveyed through symbols and text. Who are the target audience of the message? The target audience of this is the local drivers and tourists. What other ways of presenting the message are there? This can be presented through GPS and mobile apps. My example for online landscape is this meme about Malaysians' long names. So what is the message? The message is about Malaysians people have a long names. And what is the purpose of the message? The purpose of the message is about Malaysians' long names, and this is also for entertainment. How is the message conveyed by text and image? This is conveyed through a image and text. Who are the target audience of the message? The target audience of this message is the Malaysian locals. What other ways of presenting the image are there? This can be presented through a funny TikTok skits. Example for graffiti is this art. So what is the message? It's about showing Malaysian arts. What is the purpose of the message? The message is about to know Malaysians' arts and their creativity. This is conveyed through image and also arts and designs. The target audience of this art is the people who love street arts and artists, eventually tourists around the world. This can be presented through a song about the art. An example for geosemiotics is the Malaysian Day. The message is about the public holiday held on September 16 every year to commemorate the establishment of the Malaysian Federation. The purpose of the message is to celebrate the holiday for the Malaysian. This conveyed through the image and text. The target audience of this is the Malaysian citizens. This can be present through a commercial, billboards, and any social media post. That's all about the presentation on Malaysia. Thank you.